Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's Classes, and today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper question number 13. So the optimal value of the linear programming problem maximize z equals to 2x plus 3y subject to 5x plus 4y less than 20, 3x plus 5y less than 15 and 2x plus y less than equals to 4 is what? So first of all, we need to plot this graphically, right? And if you all might recall that when we try to plot the constraints, we first plot them as equality and then decide on which one is the appropriate region, correct? So we want to maximize this quantity, maximize z equals to 2x plus 3y, okay? And the first constraint is, if I write it as L1, it is 5x plus 4y equals to 20. That means x by 4 plus y by 5 is equals to 20. The second constraint is L2, which is 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. So that implies that will be x by 5 plus y by 3 is equals to 1. And the third constraint over here is 2x plus y is equals to 4. So that is x by 2 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. So if we plot all these constraints, so the points needed on the x-axis are 4, 5 and 2, and the points needed on y-axis are 3, 4 and 5. Correct? So the first line would be having a x-intercept of 4 and y-intercept of 5. So this is your L1. The next line will have a x-intercept of 5 and a y-intercept of 3. So something like this. This is your L2. And the third will have a x-intercept of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. This is your L3. And since all the constraints, as you can see in the question, are with less than equals to, the feasible region over which we need to consider is this. Correct? This is the region over which we need to find out that at what point we get the maximum value of z. So obviously this has 4 boundary points that we need to consider. So the maximum will occur at one of the 4 boundary points. We know 3 of them. The origin will obviously not be considered because we are talking about maximization. The other point is 2, 0, the other point. So the boundary points of the feasible region are 0, 0. That will obviously not be considered. The next one is 0, 3. For that, what is the value of z? It is 2 into 0 plus 3 into 3. That is 9. The other one is 2, 0. So that would be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0. So that is 4. And we need to find this point, which is the point of intersection between L2 and L3. So if I name this point as A, so we need to find out the coordinate of A, which is the point of intersection between L2 and L3. correct? So if I take the equation 2, L2, then it is 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. I can replace the value of y from the third equation. So this gives us minus 5 times. So minus 7x plus 20 is equals to 15. So x is basically 5 by 7, correct? And the value of y is, if you replace it, 4 minus 2 into 5 by 7. So that is 28 minus 10, that means 18 by 7. So the next point, and so the final point is 5 by 7 comma 18 by 7. So at this point the value of z would be 2 into 5 by 7 plus 3 into 18 by 7. So that makes it 10 plus 54 divided by 7, that is 64 by 7. So that makes it approximately, if you divide it, 9.14. Okay, so that means this is the maximum value that we can get, which is 67 by 4. This is the Z max. Alright, and that gives you your correct option as option number B for this question. Thank you.